Blaming NEMA as to why they allowed people to settle in the wetlands and come later to evict them is of course a good point. However, it does not exonerate the encroachers and their backers. Who does not know what a wetland is? Are you a Ugandan or are you from Europe? It is the duty of everybody to defend Uganda's survival. In any case, in the matter of the environment, we have no choice. Uganda cannot be destroyed, and we simply watch. Hence, please, all the people in the wetlands, live peacefully. You have done enough damage. We are not prosecuting you. It is an amnesty. Simply leave. We cannot compensate you for breaking the law and common sense. I wouldn't even say law.